Hello everyone, I'm Otis. Welcome back to my channel today. In this video, I will help you increase views and comments for your live streams with an incredibly useful software tool. Okay. First, we will access this tool. Here, it will manage many different TikTok accounts for you. Next, select the seating function here. After that, select all the TikTok accounts you have. There. Next, you select the content section. There, for us to comment. We will save it. Next, what type of setting will we use? Setting video, setting keyword, setting live stream. This time I will set up the live stream. And we will paste its live stream link here. There. After you save and have all the information and parameters you've set, you just need to click Start. And that's it, it's done. See, it's that simple. And the software will automatically open the tabs and run. If you find this video good and useful, or want to own the tool, don't forget to contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. See you all later.